I was sent this microwave stand to try out, and I think it is really handy to have in the kitchen, especially to create extra storage above your microwave or toaster oven. I have a really big toaster oven, and it fit nicely under the microwave stand with even a little bit of space left in between the toaster oven and the stand so that the toaster oven can still breathe. But it's nice that it does expand open to whatever size you need. If you want more shelf storage, even if it's bigger than what you need for your microwave, you could even choose to do that so that you could store more stuff up here. It can hold up to 55 pounds, so it's nice and strong, and it has a really beautiful matte black finish that I really like, and also has these 3 hooks on the side, which comes in really handy to hang things from. It has little suction cups on the bottom so that it'll stick to your counter so that it doesn't shift around. It was really easy to put together. It just had a couple parts, and the instructions guide you through that process. I think if you need something like this in your kitchen, then you're really gonna like this microwave stand.